Good evening, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. An incredible weather day set officially a new all-time February record reaching 77 degrees. That beat out February 25th of 2000. Incredible stuff. Let's enjoy it while we've got it, and unfortunately it's not going to last long. A flood watch is in effect throughout most of the state, including Indianapolis, and for good reason. As a cold front presses southeast overnight, it's going to wring out this moisture. And we think widespread rain, some of which will be heavy and include some embedded thunder, will arrive around 11 p.m. to midnight into the city. And once it's here, expect it to linger for quite some time, with periods of rain continuing into Wednesday morning. The other thing we're going to really notice is a progressively colder feel Wednesday morning. Temperatures are just going to crash during the pre-dawn hours, and most of the daytime on Wednesday can be expected to remain in the low to mid-30s for central Indiana, and light rain will continue before some heavier rain moves in late Wednesday into early Thursday morning. It should also be noted, guys, if your travels take you across northern Indiana, don't be surprised by a little light icing on elevated exposed surfaces. Not expecting travel problems simply just because it's been so warm. But nonetheless, don't be surprised by a little light glaze on exposed elevated surfaces Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Most of the daytime on Thursday, though, will be dry, and we're going to need it. But unfortunately, it's not going to last very long. Not one, but 3 waves of energy will move through the Ohio Valley between Friday and Sunday afternoon, and each of these will deal us more widespread, moderate to locally heavy rain through the period before we finally dry things out Sunday afternoon. Before that, widespread rainfall totals from now through Thursday night can be expected in that 1 to 2 inch range, with some locally heavier totals when you factor in what's ahead Friday through Sunday morning. An additional couple of inches are possible across central Indiana, so all combined, an additional 3 to 5 inches of rain certainly appears to be on the table between tonight and Sunday afternoon. Looking ahead, guys, the big story remains on the potential, at least, of a pattern shift back to colder times as we move into the month of March. The latest ensemble data continues to suggest this off of the GFS, and the magnitude of the cold is going to be, yet to be determined, and certainly any sort of wintry threats pertaining to ice or snow, we'll have to deal with those as we get closer. The screaming message overall, though, is that the warmer than average pattern that we're currently in is going to reverse and turn colder than normal as we open the month of March. Guys, make it a great evening. Thank you as always for logging on to NDWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.